Hi, I'm Megan from WTI, and I want to talk to you why I love this Jolly football for my little fur baby Lola. It is pretty tough and durable. If you have a dog that likes to chew and destroy things, she hasn't destroyed this yet. It's quite tough, but yet easy enough to squish that they can get their mouth around it. Now, I'll admit I have a medium-sized dog. She's a mini golden doodle, and she does have a little bit of a tough time. Now, she's gonna be a year soon, so she has a bit of a tough time getting her mouth around it, but she still loves playing with this ball. I'm gonna show you some footage here of me and her playing in the backyard, and she just gets so excited when she sees the ball, and I toss it around and she's jumping and playing and just absolutely loving it. So if you want to get a football to play with your dog and you want something that's tough and durable and throws well, even if you're not the greatest thrower in the world, I highly suggest this Jolly football. And that's my point of view.